Bay East celebrated 100 years of helping our members succeed as real estate professionals during our 100-year anniversary Gala event.
The first century of Bay East has been a story of leadership, innovation, professionalism, and service.
It may take us 100 years to thank everyone who helped us celebrate. Our Gala event was incredible because of you.
Pictures are worth thousands of words, so enjoy the fun, fellowship, and fashions. Thank you for our first 100 years, and cheers to our next 100.